everyone, it's Bia here again, and you probably came into this video because I sent you from the other last video, which was where I showed you how to actually cut this and how you cut on lino and all the different things you can do. So now I'm going to go to the next step of the process, which is cutting it apart, because I'm going to print in different colors, here, here, here. Well, yeah, I can do it differently, and the feet are also different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them away from each other. So I'm going to separate it first over here. I'm going to separate it here as well. I'm going to come here, do this, because what happens is that in my drawing this bird was standing on a branch, so I want to make sure I do that. I think I got them separated. So what I'm going to do, what you should do if you want to do the same, you do this and then you just slowly, be careful with your fingers behind because you might poke out the knife. Make sure your fingers, if I'm cutting here, my fingers can be here. If anything, hold it here and cut it there. So I'm gonna So this part is already off, as you can see. This is meant to go there. Now I'm going to cut the next part out, the feet, and I want to make sure I know where they're going to go, so I'm going to cut towards this part of the make sure you have a mat underneath, because I don't have one and this is what's been happening to my table. Also, the blue part is when I was doing this painting and I kind of forgot to clean it, and then this is not coming off. If you have any way in which you think I could get it off the table, then that would really help. I would really love to know how I can fix it. As you can see, now you have this part as well, and I'm gonna cut this part. We have this off as well. I might as well also cut the beak out. You can do random abstract things. You can use it to, maybe you could do a poster, and then this poster is like, you want to reprint it over and over again, so you have it made in lino, and then you can just keep making more and more, because they're all gonna look the same because they're all printed with the same color. Okay, so this part, this part, this part, and this part. This goes here, that goes there, and that's there, that's there. See? So these are the different parts of the bird. So the next step is to obviously get your inks. I have gold and silver, yellow, blue, and red, and a different kind of blue, as well as white. I don't have any other colors. I really should get some more, but these are, I think they're like £5 each, something like that. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can get them as well. I'll also leave a link to the lino and to the roller, so if you want to do this yourself and you still don't have the tools, you can go and get them there. I really like these. Also, don't forget that when you're printing you can use different colors, and before you do it you need to like massage it. I just haven't done it because especially if you've left the paints out for a very long time and you don't want to, sometimes the oil separates from the color, so that happens. I need some white. Let's see what happens here. Also, don't put too much paint, because when you put too much paint, then you have to keep rolling it on the table, and then you'd end up like with a big patch of paint on the table, and it's too much. So you do this, roll it on your table. I should be doing this forwards. I just completely forgot to place it in a different direction. So. Okay, so I got this here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the bird this way. I actually really like what I did. Look, this is making it look as though this part of the bird has a dark, so the wings have a darker color than the chest of the bird. So that's really cool. So now that I got a thin layer of paint on the block, I can place it on here. I'm gonna place it in the middle. I just have to do it on the side because I put the paint too much in the middle of the screen. So I'm gonna place it down. Place it down like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put a lot of pressure on it. You're going to, like, not punch it, but at least, like, touch it like that. Maybe turn it around and go like this with your fingers, just to make sure. Your hand, usually you can use a roller to roll over it and make sure everything is nice and even. Okay, should be ready now. So I'm going to lift that up. And I've got my first part of the bird, as you can see. I could have made some more texture for the feathers, but this was only for the sake of showing it to you guys. So one part is gone. I'm gonna make maybe I should make the legs here. See, now I can match it up because I know this ends where the tail starts. I can match it up to here, and I know the feet are going to be in the right place. looks okay. I should have chosen different colors, but it's fine. It's all good. I'll draw the branches and then we'll see how it ends. I'm also gonna make sure the eye is black. And I'll just get to it in a second. I'm gonna clean up and I'll show you. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you found it informative. Bye!